Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Show yourself. Show yourself. Oh.
No, it's too early.
Too early? Okay. Today we are going to unbox something for a very special day. For
I want to shoes.
oh yes, shoes. You want shoes? This vlog is for
I want to shoes.
Father's Day. It's for Father's Day. That's the reason why Summer is here to accompany me to open a box for our special Father's Day. And you can see right there, there's a box over there, and that's for special day, and that's for Father's Day. Yeah. And for Father's Day, we are going to unbox a very special shoes. Are you ready, Summer?
Okay.
Okay, we're going to open. This is the first time that I'll be going to open this box. So guys, be careful with sharp objects when opening, especially when you're with your kid. And this is the box. What is this? Wow. Ta-da! What is this? This is a Mamba logo. This is a Mamba logo. Yay! For Father's Day. This is wow. What is this? Wow, a shoes. This is a shoes. Yes, yes. You heard it right. This is the Kobe 4 Protro, also known as the Girl Dad. This is a very special shoes inspired by Kobe Bryant's love for her daughters. And for those who know, Gigi is aspiring to be in the WNBA. This was inspired by the moment when Kobe and Gigi went to watch a WNBA game.
I want to.
This is your shoes. Oh, yeah. This was inspired by a game where Kobe and Gigi went to watch. For the details, it says Girl Dad. So because I'm a father of 2 beautiful daughters, and this is my eldest. Show yourself. Yes, stand. Say hello.
Hello.
This is inspired by being a girl dad. As you can see, Girl Dad. With the shoe material is very good, all nubuck, and with iridescent transparent shoes, insole. For the Father's Day, this is a very significant for me because it signifies me being a father of 2 daughters. And for Father's Day, I would like to celebrate that, and by this I would like also to celebrate being a father, and at the same time being celebrating Kobe's life with his daughter Gigi. So that's Summer.
I want to shoes.
Oh, say goodbye now. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you again next time. So once again, this is the Kobe 4 Protro Girl Dad Edition, celebrating Father's Day with my daughter Summer. Can you say bye-bye now?
Bye.
See you soon. Can you say see you soon?
See you soon.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Bye-bye. Once again, Kobe 4 Protro Girl Dad. Bye-bye.